popular sneaker from the early 2000s is making a comeback thanks to Jordan Brand. For the first time since its initial debut in 2002, the Air Jordan 9 Flint Gray, popularly referred to by collectors as the French Blue, will make a comeback. Sneakerheads who value traditional hues and legacy styles will be thrilled by this impending release. Smooth Flint Gray inlays on the mudguard and midsole complement the sneaker's sleek white leather upper. The overlay's glossy finishes add to the shoe's upscale appearance. The eyelets, tongue branding, heel detailing, and the recognizable Jumpman logo are all emphasized by French Blue accents. Crisp white tongues, a gray lining, and a white rubber outsole with motifs inspired by across the world complete the look. This release is anticipated by both collectors and fans of vintage Jordans. This colorway's comeback demonstrates Jordan Brand's dedication to bringing iconic classics back with contemporary touches.